Anneli here. I'm sitting here with Bobby Kirwin. He is an accelerated sales advisor with Motleys Real Estate, and he's leading up the Motleys MAX program, which he's here to tell us all about. So what is the Motleys MAX?
Anneli, the Motleys MAX is a program that we created for homeowners that have properties that maybe need some work done to them, or maybe some upgrades, and they either don't want to do that or they just can't afford to do it. So what we do is we design a program to help them get the maximum amount for their property based on the conditions.
Great. So it sounds like it's a program geared to help the sellers, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's all about the seller. And a lot of times what people do in this situation is they call an investor, maybe two, maybe three, and they see who gives them the most, basically the best offer for them. But what we found is that they're still not getting as much as they could. I had a client who had two properties that she had inherited that needed quite a bit of work done to them. She had been offered $100,000 for each one. We were able to get her $150,000 for one of them and $136,000 for the other. So it was for a total of $86,000 more.
That's a huge difference.
Yes.
So it sounds like there are multiple benefits to the seller.
Yes. And the biggest thing is that there's no home inspections. There's no appraisals, sold as is, and cash sales only. And typically close within 3 to 4 weeks at most.
Wow, so it's a quick process. It's geared towards the seller.
Yes.
Everything's about, let's get this home sold quickly, as is, where is.
Correct. And the biggest thing is that it's not you're not signing up into a long-term listing agreement. We only need the property 3 to 4 days as far as marketing. And with that time, we'll have your offer for you.
Wow.
Yes.
No, I mean, that sounds really great to me. I'm not personally selling, but if I did, I certainly would think about the Motleys MAX.
Well, there's no obligation.
That's
so
true.
If anything, if something happens that we didn't get the price for you, guess what? You don't owe us a dime.
No. See, now that's how you sell property.
Yeah.
So if anybody has any questions, how could they reach out to you?
They can either call or text me at my cell number, which is 804-517-3200, or they can contact me by email. That's bkirwin@motleys.com. But if you want more information, go to motleys.com/max, and there you'll see testimonials, you'll see the properties that we have sold, and then there's a quick, if you're interested in getting a little more information, just fill it out and send it through, and we'll be right in touch with you.
That's great. And Motleys likes to do things quick. We like to make sure sales happen on your terms, on your timeline.
The Motleys MAX.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you around.